Hello, hello, hello everyone, and welcome to Anne's Aesthetics, where hopefully I can bring you a little bit of peace, happiness, and trippiness through fun painting tutorials for beginners today. Today I'm going to be giving you a super trippy part 1, and this section is dealing with Scream. So this entire painting is going to be a horror collage, and this video is strictly on the first quadrant, and right here is where I'm working on Scream's face. After I fill in his face and figure out the structure I want, I'm going to work on outlining the, a cloak? A cloth? The little hoodie he's wearing with some black, pure black. Here is our inspiration photo for today. If you want to check out this inspiration photo, you can find my Pinterest in the bio box below. Go to that Pinterest, find the board Art and Drawings, and you will find under that board this inspiration photo. I'm taking the shade Diva Pink, and we're going to use this as the glow eeriness behind Mr. Scream here. And at first I'm going to use a small brush just to kind of do an outline, but then you'll see that I'll go back in with my fingers just to gently pat and blend and make it more smooth. As you can see, I had a little too much extra on the one side, so I was just kind of using my finger to transfer some from that side onto the other side to make it even a smoother blend. To give an extra layer level, I'm taking a light pink marker and I'm going to draw just on the outline so that it really pops. This is my favorite part of this painting, and this is the knife, and I'm just kind of drawing a rectangle at the bottom, but really focusing on pointing it at the top. But obviously I have some paint there that's going to really help clean up the edges, and I am extending the knife past the tape, so the tip of the knife really isn't showing. But next after that is where I'm going to draw some hearts to give it a cute effect, and the hearts will tie together all 4 of the quadrants. And this is like a pink sparkly magenta color. I really liked it. I thought it would really pop nicely with all the different pink shades, so I decided to use this as my lines for the Scream painting. And then I'm going to do some highlighting on these hearts to make them cute and vibrant. And then we're taking a light pink to highlight the knife and give it some sharp details. Get it? Sharp. This is just a rough outline of the eyebrows, the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. I ended up hating the eyebrows, so I actually covered them. And then for the eyes, I just drew 2 ovals. On the upper part of the ovals, they're smaller than the bottoms, so I made the bottoms fatter. And then for the nose, it's just an upside down heart. And then for the mouth, I just kind of did like a very chunky worm, if that makes sense. And then I'm just taking a white acrylic marker to draw the little starry vibe on his cloth clock, whatever the heck it is. Personally, I feel this little bling spot always really makes the knife look extra sharp, so I love adding it. And then I'm doing a little contouring with that darker pink. And then this is where I like to just clean up my lines to make them look sharper, and I am going to redo the eyebrows as well here. You have it, the first quadrant is done. I really hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Please subscribe to stay tuned for part 2, 3, and 4. Like, share, subscribe, comment if you would like. I really hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye, everyone.